All right, so now we're doing the arteries. So this is the descending aorta coming down through the diaphragm. That's the diaphragm, so it would go through the diaphragm. One of our landmarks is the kidney. So this is the renal artery. That's the renal vein. This branch here is the adrenolumbar vein. This would be your adrenolumbar artery, just following that. Can't really see that too well, but that's the adrenolumbar vein. So between the diaphragm and the kidney are two main branches. The superior one is the celiac trunk, which has three main branches. One to the spleen, one to the liver, that's the hepatic, and one to the stomach, which is the left gastric. So it's splenic, hepatic, left gastric, and that's the celiac trunk right there. The next one down is the superior mesenteric, and that goes to your ileocolic area. This is your small intestine, this is your large intestine, and so it goes into that juncture there called the ileocolic area. And this is your adrenolumbar, there's your renals. And now we're moving down, and you can see the inferior vena cava is running right along with the descending aorta. And so our next landmark is these paired ileolumbar vein and artery. Between the kidney and the ileolumbar, we have a major unpaired as well, which is the inferior mesenteric, which goes to the lower colon area. This is your ureter, and that's going to go to your bladder. Okay, so if we follow this down, we're now going to end up at your external iliac vein and artery, both sides, external vein and artery, internal vein and artery, and then, pull them up, the median sacral vein and artery. And then as we come down along here for the vein, our deep femoral, same thing with the artery, deep femoral. And then for the vein, this is now the saphenous, and this extension is the femoral.